Hi everyone, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ito nga post ni Sir Nathan Perolino, it's been a while. Ito na nga Team Barda. So nandiyan si Mir, Tito Tony, Kenzie, Janra, Miss Diane, Nay Fatima at Sir Nathan. At next naman ay post ni David Licauco sa kanyang FB. Nagpakita na din at napakataas nga ng engagement ito guys, 137,000. Ang cute na mag-BFF na si David at saka si Dustin yun na parang naka-black. At ito na nga post ni Kenzie at zoom in nga nila at kitang-kita nga doon sa likod ay si Miss Barbie Fortesa katabi si Tito Tony at si Miss Diana. So mukhang ito na yung hinihiling natin guys, yung spotted sila. Kaya lang after magkaroon ng issue ni David, diba? Kung di pa magkaka-issue, hindi pa mag-spotted. Sana lagi may issue si David. At ito pa picture galing kay Sur. Mukhang lumapit si Barbie sa mag-best friend na si David tsaka si Dustin. Pero katakataka na kasi mangot si David at saka si Dustin. Tingnan si David, grabe. Ang si mangot. Masyadong seryoso si David at saka si Dustin guys. Sabi nga ng friend ko, ba't parang naninermon si Barbie do sa dalawa? Grabe. So sa Wildflower nga daw yan at kasama din ni Dustin si Bianca at ang ibang ex-PBB housemates. At may isang fan pa nga ang nagpa-picture habang hinihintay ni Dustin si Bianca sa may CR. Grabe talaga si Dustin kay Bianca, no? Hanggang CR sinusundan, o diba? O, kinilig si ate. At next naman, ay gusto ko tong picture na to, grabe. Ang cute nilang tatlo. si Sam, si Barbie, at saka si Choi. Oh, di ba? Grabe, picture perfect sila. Nasa si Sam, no? Grabe yung yung face talaga, no? Tsaka si Barbie, pareho silang baby face, eh. At next is David Licauco is spotted. Hindi nga natin alam kung saan tong lugar na to, guys. Write your comments down below kung saan to. At next ay post ni Leo Ortiz, malapit na natin siyang makilala. So si Fiyang yata yung sa Lumi na dating in-endorse ni Barbie tsaka ni Sanya. At next ay may showtime guesting si Dustin at ang makeup artist niya ay si Sir Nathan Perolino. Wow. So si Sir Nathan na nga mag-aayos do sa mag-best friend. At ito nga ay post ni Kenzie, parang sa Iraya to, I'm not sure. At next ay nakuha namin sa FB, so parang lumang picture na ni David to. At next ay may bagong paid ad si David Licauco. Ito na nga, just another day in the city until I spotted these cute creatures on the road. Little did I know, they led me to a new way to grow my wealth. One step at a time. Let's watch this.
Just another busy day in the city. Pero teka, ano yan? Oh wow, ang cute naman. What are those little creatures? And BPI Wealth Builder? Okay, let's see what this is all about. Mukhang interesting to This is BPI Wealth's newest investment fund, where the more you invest, the more benefits you unlock. So this is the cute creature I saw on the bridge. Si Vesti pala yan. My new investment buddy. So I can grow it like I grow my investment with BPI Wealth Builder? Wow, ang cool. Alam mo, this reminds me, just like these vesties, investment can start small. Pero when you stay consistent, they grow. They even reward you for hitting investment milestones. Ako, I love the free life protection. Just in case something happens to me, secure pa rin ang financial future ng family ko. Swak sa lifestyle ko. You don't have to be rich, you just have to start. Little by little. Start small, grow smart, and who knows? You might surprise yourself. So did you spot a vestie too? Baka it's time to grow yours.
Grabe, napaka-picture perfect naman ni David sa kanyang paid ad. Kaya lang nga, gusto't mayaman yung kanyang polo. Yun lang. Next naman ay yung video na nagbatian daw si Jack at saka si David. So ayan na nga, papunta doon sa right si David at ayun si Jack. At parang nilingon niya at blinak niya daw. So nakaupo pala si Barbie dyan. Mapapansin nyo na may umabot sa kamay kay David at kulay yellow na damit. Likuran ng girl na gold ang suot. So may nagsabi na tapos na raw yung picture ni Jack dyan nung nilapitan niya si Barbie at hinawakan niya yung kamay. Tapos bigla daw blinak ni David yung si Jack nung paalis na. Well, wala tayong masyadong makita dito from this angle. So, sana may mga lumabas pang videos, guys, para makita natin kung si Barbie nga yung nakaupo sa table at blinak ni David. At next ay IG story ni Tita Ami Fortesa para mga cryptic post, guys. Let's watch this.
Tom Cruises of the world who do their stunts, like literally hang off a plane and like do that.
Yeah.
You know, I remember I had dinner with him once and it was after he did the one where he ran around the building.
Yeah, that's crazy.
And I go, can you tell me how that happened? I mean, he's a really intense guy. You know, he's like, yeah, I'll tell you how it happened. He's like, so I go, all right.
Grabe, ganun nga magsalita si Tom Cruise. Kuwang-kuwa.
Right, I'm in. I'm like, well, okay.
Yeah.
And he goes, I've been thinking about this shot for 15 years. And I go, wow, really? And he goes, so I go to the safety guy and I lay it all out. Safety guy goes, we can't do that. It's too dangerous. You can't do that. So I get a new safety guy. That's the beginning of his story. And I just go, stop. Like, that's where we're different.
Right.
Like, when the safety guy says no, I'm like, oh, safety guy says it's not a good idea.
Okay, so, yun na nga, yung safety guy, yun yung parang stuntman, guys. So, ito na nga yung analysis ng friend ko dun sa cryptic post ni Tita Ami. So, si Jameson Blake daw, yung naging safety guy para malipat yung atensyon kay Barbie dahil sa bashing kay David. So, tapos si Dustin yun naman daw, yung kasama ni David nung kumain. Dahil mababash si David, sasabihin ginamit niya si Barbie. Ginagamit niya si Barbie para bumangoy ulit yung pangalan niya. So, inyo lang naman yung opinion ng friend ko. So, anong interpretation nyo, guys? Comment down below. And we are at the next cryptic post. Let's watch this.
Good evening, my little cookie.
Natatawa talaga si Tom Cruise, no? Grabe.
Special Director Polly Wonk. It's good to see you again. I'm here with your next mission. Criminal organization of the world's most amazing sanitation engineers hacked into the government's walk, stealing their top secret report on vintage sneakers.
Grabe, hindi mapigilan ni Tom Cruise tumawa.
Come here, darling. I understand your reaction. The group also...
At ito naman yung analysis ng friend ko. Ano daw yun? Nagkita daw si Dustin at saka si David. At ang mission nila ay, yun nga, ibalik ang kilig ng mga Barda fans. Kahit na may issue, di ba? Parang, grabe, kailangan na talagang umeffort ni David, di ba? Jogging sana, di ba? Tapos, date sila lang. Ganon. Kung kaya niya. So, di ba? Pakita niya wala siyang jowa. Diba? Sana mga ganon sana. Ang problema kung kaya niya ba? Di ba? And next is a video from Kuya Niel Serrano. Let's watch this.
Speaking of beauty, name your top 3 most beautiful Pinay actress.
Top 3 Pinay actress. One would be Don Zulueta.
Of course.
Number 2 would be... Sino ba ako nagagandahan? Sunshine Cruz.
Ay, of course.
Oh, sexy.
Sunshine.
Number 3. Sino pa ba? Magbanggit kayo! Ayoko yung Me, Myself, and I naman. Grabe. Barbie Fortesa. Makinis. O, diba?
Ay wow, thank you Miss Rupa at nabanggit mo ang ating primetime princess na pinakamamahal namin. At next ay post ng GMA Public Affairs. Ano ang pinaka-best feature ng Beauty Empire cast? Let's watch this.
Hindi ako sure. So, mukha na lang po siguro. Ayan. Opo, smile. May face. May smile. How do I take care of it? I am thankful and grateful that I have a lot of trusted skincare products and skin clinics na pwede kong mapagkatiwalaan when it comes to maintaining my skin and my whole wellness.
My best feature physically, my dimple. How do I take care of it? I don't. It's just there.
My body as a whole, I try to, and my goal is to be as, to have it as best as I can possibly present it. So, yeah, I try to eat right, sleep right, and exercise right as best as I can.
Ay, agree naman ako dun. Yung sa body ni Sam. Grabe. Ay, nako. At meron nga tayong sasaguting questions sa Twitter, guys. Yung paano namin nalaman yung last 5 na fina-follow ni David. So, true, randomized kaya hindi malalaman when finollow at sino yung recent. So, gumamit nga kami ng third-party app. So, dito lang namin i-reveal to sa show, sa blog ko. Ayan, dolphinradar.com. At dito nga namin nalaman na si Jillian Ward yung pinaka-latest na finollow ni David. So tinuro nga ng friend ko na doon niya rin nakuha yung last 5 na finollow ni David nung June pagkagaling niya ng Australia. Yun nga yung mga friends ni Alex. And lastly, Facebook post ni Miss Tony Aviles, Barbie Fortesa on GMA Fast Talk. Hi now, the super pretty Miss Barbie Fortesa. And there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more bird updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye.